I've always been interested in where technology comes from and where it's going. We're going to learn about the companies that are based in Uruguay who are making technologies that touch your daily life regardless of where you live. Welcome to Future, powered by Uruguay. Not only is Victor Gannon a collector of art, he's also, probably the technology's elder statesman in Uruguay.
In 1984, there were elections in Uruguay, and those elections put an end to a dictatorship, and a new democratic elected government took place in 1985.
Socios cooperadores, fuertes en capital y tecnología, con los que podamos trabajar en conjunto para forjar un mundo mejor.
President Sanguinetti, he asked me to do something with computers in government. The idea of this was that the president could get a census, that he could know what was happening in the country. We built the software for that. It was a state of the art. There was no software available at that time for that. We would call now a business intelligence system, and was so good that we exported it to Argentina and Nicaragua. This business intelligence project was really the first thing that Uruguay exported, and now we have a very healthy export system of software in Uruguay.
What's remarkable when you think about a company like Quanam with a 40-year history is they have been working and pushing the envelope forward to build the future for longer than most of us have worked in tech.
The world continuously produces new things, new products, new software, new technology, and if you don't use those new things, you are behind. And it's better that you make yourself obsolete than that another company or the market makes you obsolete.
We are specialized in the development of business analytics solutions using different tools. Tools from IBM, Microsoft, and other ones, Oracle, for example. And Motio has the right tools to administer that solutions.
All right, so we're here in Texas. We're here to see Edwin at Motio, and we're going to spend a little time with him learning about the IT sector from the American vantage point of big companies selling to big companies.
Business intelligence is all about delivering information and analytics to managers to make decisions, right? And what you see in daily life, that managers get that information and they say, I want something else, or can you add this, or where does this information come from? I don't recognize it. So there's a whole organizational world behind that dashboard, the report, the analytics that a manager gets to take action upon. And what we do is we make software to automate that world behind the dashboard. To the creation, the maintenance, the changes, so everything around that. That's what we do. I think if I look at Quanam, it's a company that has a lot of knowledge, but also the culture in the organization is that they really want to deliver quality.
We don't sell technology. We are not developing tools. We use them in order to improve the business of our customers.
So IBM builds business intelligence software. So they have different partners. So they have Quanam as a partner who understands their software and can implement it and can help customers start using it and say, hey, this is how you implement this is how you build dashboard, this is how you build reports, and this is how we can make sure that people are actually using that information. So they use business partners for that. And Motio builds also software that is on top of this platform from IBM and basically adds capabilities to it that people are missing in their daily life.
We provided what we are best, our expertise, and they provided theirs, and we complement each other, and we created a great product.
The final goal is to take data and transform it into conclusions or insights.
For me, it's like data sources are endless. It will be whatever you want and depending on what you want to achieve. All companies have a data and analytics or a business intelligence area that they need to, or a data science. So it's a part of our now everyday life. Maybe 5 years ago, it was impossible to have a job description that is a data scientist. And now they're asking for that because they need that. They need a person that is going to be able to help them with all that information and be able to analyze that and getting results.
You never know when you start something if it's going to be a success or not. But what we always tried to do was to give our clients very good work. I mean, they get the best of our people, the best of our knowledge.
They make that extra step for you as a customer. And I think that fits our culture as well, where we deliver software products and we want to be the best and we want to deliver the best software. So we're always trying to make it better, better, better. And sometimes for me as a sales manager, that's frustrating because I want to deliver and my dev team says, no, it's not ready because we can make it a little bit better. But that's our culture, and we want to take that extra step for our customers, and Quanam is the same, and that's why we like to work together in this area where they deliver the consultancy and the advisory of business intelligence, and we can help customers to maintain that platform then in an efficient way.
We have influence in all over the world, and I think that's really amazing for us, being such a little country.
We try to figure what is going to be our work and the technology in 5 years' time. What can we do now to go from here to there? The point is that the only way that you can know the future is if you make it.
The idea is always to keep up with technology and not being left behind of what's coming.
We called it the garra charrúa. It started in soccer, in football, but then we have it in our culture for everything. It's a concept that we are always the underdog, but we make an extra effort to fulfill that goal or objective that we have.